In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import images in Framer. By the end, you'll know how to place an image on your page and fine-tune it so it looks polished and intentional. Start by opening Framer and loading the project you want to work on. Once your canvas is visible, look toward the top of the interface for the layout options. This is where you'll find the building blocks for your page. Select the image tool from that menu to get an image placeholder ready. Now, place it on your page. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the image area to roughly the size you want. Don't worry about being exact right now. You can always adjust it later. As you drag, you'll notice snapping guides that help you align the image with other elements, which is handy for keeping your layout neat. With the placeholder selected, choose the option to pick an image file. This opens your computer's file browser. Navigate to the image you want to use. Common formats like JPG and PNG work great. Then confirm by clicking Open. Framer will place the file into the placeholder you created. From here, you can edit your image to suit your design. Resize it directly on the canvas by dragging the handles and reposition it until it sits exactly where you want. In the right side Properties panel, adjust how the image fits the frame. Use Fill to cover the entire area, or Fit to keep the whole image visible without cropping. If any part is cropped, set a focal point so the most important area stays centered. You can also round the corners, tweak opacity, add a subtle shadow, and refine spacing so it aligns cleanly with nearby text or components. For accessibility and better search visibility, add descriptive alt text in the image settings. That's it. You've opened Framer, inserted an image, and refined it with professional controls. Save your changes, and you're ready to continue designing with confidence.